Hey y'all, this is my first DIY video. I'm using Dollar Tree supplies, everything except the paint and the paintbrush and the glue gun. Everything else comes from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to make this cute little flamingo wreath. And I just love how it turns out. And I hope I don't make too much of a mess of the video. Here goes nothing. Okay. Here I'm showing y'all the cute little flamingo I got. And the little pipe cleaners, I'm going to use them for legs. And I got a couple of ribbons that was pretty. And I got some flowers in different colors that I thought would look pretty with the flamingo. And one of the green wreath thingies. I'm trying to show y'all the flowers. I'll get better about where my camera is and all that stuff, I hope. Okay. Now, I'm going to try to figure out where I want the flamingo on the wreath. As you'll see here soon, I end up turning him over and doing him the other direction, but oh well, at least I tried. He fits on there pretty good. This is where I want to make his little legs. I thought I would end up cutting one of the pipe cleaners in half, but once I bent it over, I thought it looked pretty cute like that. So I decided to keep it that way and just attach it to him with some hot glue. That's what I thought. Telling y'all like look cute. Okay. I did decide that I didn't like that color pink too well. So this is where I used my paint I had here at home and tried to make him a little bit lighter. And then I took a wipe and wiped some of it off afterwards. I think he looks pretty good then. And I glued him on there. Hot glue works pretty good. Then I glued the little legs. And then, of course, I had to do that little one leg up like they do when they stand. Now I'm just gluing all my flowers on. I think I got 3 or 4 different kinds. I wanted to mix it up, and I tried to pick colors that I think go with it, but sometimes my colors is off because I don't see them exactly right. But I think all these look pretty good together. I like it anyway. Y'all can tell me if I got my colors all mixed up and they don't look right when you get through with the video. I just stuck them all around everywhere trying to mix them up so I didn't have the same ones together. And added a little bit of leaves. I didn't add too many. I like the flowers better than the leaves. I sped this up, but it actually only took me around 30 minutes to make the whole wreath, so I thought that was pretty good for me. I've tried to make a couple of Christmas wreaths before, and all I did was make a mess. They looked awful. But I'm actually happy with this one. And it's because I've been watching y'all's videos. I've been watching DIY crafting videos for weeks now. So I decided to try my hand at one. And I just love my little flamingo wreath. I know I'm supposed to be doing fall stuff already, and I got some stuff to do for fall if we can figure it out, but I wanted to do this one first. Now I was adding some where I could see the wreath still. That's when I figured out I should have put something around it so I could see it, but I ended up getting it covered, so it's all good. We're almost done with that part. Now, y'all, I do not know how to make bows. I've been watching, and I thought I could do one of these messy bows or whatever y'all call them. But it just, I get it made, but it is not really pretty. I decided folding them over they looked better than the bigger way. And I just used a pipe cleaner to tie them together. And I got all that done and cut the little tails off. And then I remembered to do the ends like y'all do. I don't know if I did it right, but I cut them anyway, so hopefully it's good. Tried to fluff it up some. It didn't look too bad. And then I tried to see where I would want it on the wreath. That's when I decided it wasn't big enough, so I did the whole thing over again to put it all together. I used some hot glue to try to help, but then, I decided, why don't I make it easier on myself? So I just went back to doing it without it. But I got it all together finally. Another pipe cleaner. And then I put them both together to make a bigger bowl. And that looked better to me. I like that better. Cut the other ends off. And I didn't know what I was going to use for the middle because I realized I didn't have anything pretty to go there. So I thought about just leaving the pipe cleaners, but that didn't really look good. I added another one to hook it all together better. And I thought about putting a flower in the middle, but for some reason I just didn't like that. Might have been flowers were too big, maybe. Didn't look right anyway. So then I decided just to cut another piece of ribbon and put it around the middle. I think that ended up looking pretty cute. For my first messy bow, it looks good. I may just have to start buying some bows. Or watch more videos on making bows so I can figure out how to do it. People talk about this is easy, but it's not easy for me. But I like it in the end when I put it on there. Trying to figure out where I want to put it. I like it better down there. So I just hot glue it on. And there we go. I think it turned out cute. I hope y'all like it. Please let me know if you do or not in the comments. And I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to build it up and I'm going to be doing more videos. So it would really help a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.